Welcome to WebStylePress. How to animate to height auto using CSS only. It's very simple. Here inside container, I will take a div with class text. Here is the result. In the styles, I will apply CSS on its state when I'm not hovering it. Text not hover, then height will be this. Fixed height. Height set to a specific number. I also need overflow hidden and font size for this text. And here it is. If I hover over it, it shows me all the text. So if I hover, it goes back to its original height that it should take. Now we need smooth animation or transition. For that, we will use transition 1 second and interpolate size, allow keywords. This is the magic property and it's now working. To make it more clear, let me use these styles, some outline, transparent border, and cursor. It's good, right? Only using CSS. Interpolate size. The interpolate size CSS property allows you to enable animations and transitions between a length percentage value and an intrinsic size value such as auto fit content or max content. Property is typically used to animate the width and or height of a container. So this is how you do it without using JavaScript. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.